Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn some 2D shapes names and let's draw the shapes and color the shapes. Okay, let's use these colors. Red color, which color kids? This is red color. Yellow color, which color kids? This is yellow color. Blue color, which color kids? This is blue color. Brown color, which color kids? This is brown color. Red color, which color kids? This is red color. Green color, which color kids? This is green color. Let's start the video. This is right triangle. This is right triangle. This is a triangle. This is backpack. This is hot. This is arrow. This is star. Right triangle. Let's color this shape. Triangle. Let's use the red color. Backpack. Heart. Let's use the blue color to draw this, coloring this heart shape. Arrow. Let's use the yellow color. Star. Let's use the red color. Okay, kids, let's revise. This is right triangle. This is triangle. This is backpack. This is heart. This is arrow. This is star. Okay, kids, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching. Follow for more.